How I'll build online income system if I have to start over. Very calm and realistic. If I have to start over online today, with no experience, no momentum, no pressure to look successful, this is exactly how I'll build an online income system. Calmly, realistically, and without burning out. Not fast money, not hustle culture, a system that actually compounds. Let me walk you through it. Section number one. What I will not do again. The first thing I'll do is stop doing what most beginners do. That is, I wouldn't chase every strategy. I won't jump platform weekly. I won't try to look like an expert. Nor obsess over tools. Because that creates motion, not progress. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't lack of effort, it's lack of structure. Section number two, the only foundation that matters. If I had to start again, I'll focus on just one foundation, that is a simple system. That system answers three questions. One, what problem am I helping with? Two, where do I send people? And number three, what happens after they arrive? If those three are clear, everything else becomes easier. Content stops feeling random, AI stops feeling confusing, progress becomes measurable. Section number three, how to use content differently. I wouldn't post for views, I'll post for movement. Every piece of content will have one job, that is, move someone one step forward. Not convince, not pressure, just guide. That's when content stops being exhausting and starts compounding. Question number four, where AI fits. AI wouldn't replace thinking, it will reduce friction. I use AI to one, structure ideas, two, plan content, three, clarify messaging, and four, stay consistent. AI works best when you already know what you are building. It supports system, it doesn't replace them. If you want to build this properly without hype or pressure, I've shared a free AI starter kit below. It explains the structure clearly, step by step. Take it calmly.